How to make Facebook photos private. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first step is you need to open up your Facebook application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the homepage of Facebook from where you can see the various news or the newsfeed of Facebook. So in order to make your photos private, you need to tap on your profile at the left upper corner, and here you'll be able to see your profile. You have to scroll down until you see your photos option at the bottom. Simply tap on photos and all of your photos and uploads will be available over here. You have to switch to albums and you'll be able to see all of your photos over here. You can make all of the photos private, but you need to do it one by one. So for that you need to select one specific folder or the album, and after doing that you have to tap on the three dotted horizontal line of the right upper corner, and here is the option for edit. You have to simply tap on edit option and you have to tap on friends option. Here will be all of your privacy details. You have to tap on see more and set for only me option, and after doing that the photo will be set to private. It means you only will be able to see that. You have to simply tap on done option in the right upper corner and the album will be updated, so you can try for other also. So this is how you make Facebook photos private. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.